What is going on out there, peeps? Holy smokes, man. Talk about a butt spanking today on the stock market. Okay, when we left off, we're at 54%, and I'm going to get into what happened. 54% on our fictitious portfolio. A quick reminder, and I highly recommend you go check them out. If you're thinking about buying precious metals, please give our friends over at Money Metals Exchange a consideration. The link is in the description. If you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and get a free ½ ounce of silver. All right, real quick, also, I have a Facebook group, Pimpy. Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel, and yeah, Facebook's done this crap. They moved this over to the new Facebook. Anyways, I got Pimpy's Investment Chat. It's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, and other investment opportunities. So come on over. It's free to do so. All right? No politics there. None. If you want to talk politics, come over to this other group, which is the hidden things in front of your eyes. In here, we do talk about politics, current events, conspiracy things, 9/11, false flag events, QAnon, false flag events, chemtrails, the whole 9 yards. That's in here. And yep, Pimpy has a Twitter. That's right. So you guys, come on over there and follow me. Man, only got 2,571 followers. Good lordy. Okay, you guys. So nonetheless, let's get into what's happening because it's really crazy. So here we go. As we all know, the numbers over here are our original cost. When we first bought into these different investments, I said I was going to bank a couple of them, and I still have not done that. I've been crazy obsessed with what's going on in the market. All right, so look, we got Discovery Metals. So here's what happened, just so you're aware. So I think where are we at? Freaking, oh, today's Thursday. I was supposed to do this yesterday. I should have done this yesterday because yesterday the market was looking a lot better. And so what happened was there was a huge run. I think it was over Tuesday and over Wednesday. The markets were flying up. We were seeing records. The numbers went way up. Yeah, it'd have been a good, it definitely would have been a good stock watch had I done this yesterday, but I got to do it today. So nonetheless, what happened is we have a market correction. The numbers were up too high, and all of a sudden it crashed back down to reality. But nonetheless, when we left on Monday, I was at 54% on my stock portfolio. Let's see how I'm doing. So Discovery was 31 cents. When all this column in here is our original investment. The numbers right next to it are the current value. So Discovery Metals, 31 cents. It's up to $1.59. Endeavor, $1.45, $4.05. Alexco was $1.48. It's now $2.87. First Majestic was $7.53, $11.53 now. Mag Silver, $9.87. It's almost doubled there at $16.09. Silvercrest, $6.41. Still up there good enough at $9.74. So WTI had a crashing back to reality here. I think I'm going to go ahead and bank this one as well. When I first saw that it was in a negative, I thought, man, this would be a good chance to jump on this. I mentioned it when it was $1 a share, but to be in all fairness, when we did start creating this fictitious portfolio was on April 21st. So I had to use the April 21st buy-in at 211. But nonetheless, we'll keep on going. Cryptocurrencies had a crashing back to reality, as you guys can see right over here in all of this red. Okay, but that's okay. There was a serious run. Enough to, we'll see if it helped me at all. Remember, like I said on Monday, was at 54%. Let's see if Tuesday and Wednesday got me up high enough that even with this correction, I'm still doing good. So XRP 18 cents is now 27 cents. XLM was 5 cents, now down and actually just below 9 cents. Ethereum was 173. That's, where is it at now? Oh, it's now 403.13. Yeah, not good. So nonetheless, USA Precious Metals, 1706 up to 2376. Bitcoin took a huge hit. It got up above $1,200 and it dropped like a rock. Just a market correction. People are selling off and getting their profits is what they're doing. Anyway, $6,880 and now up to $10,775. Biopharma, 31.12, 31.14. Immunity therapy, cancer immunity therapy, 26.69. It dropped down below. So these ones here, man, I still am gonna hang on to them. I think I'm gonna tough them out at least for another month. I'm anticipating great news from both, to be quite honest with you. ARC was 56.27, is at 58.01. One of our superstars on our list is Drexion. 63.70 is now 147.99. Pan America Silver 1974 is 35.12. Fortuna is another one of those great performance stocks. $2.38 when we first started. It says 702. Wheaton 35.01 is now 52.65. Silvercorp $3.36 is now 8.33. Barrick Gold, this is the one all the big dogs are heading to, the number one gold stock out there, or ETF, whatever. It's 24.82 is now 29.26. Callinix, I should have sold it when I said I was going to, and I did it, and it dropped down even more from 235 to 191. Now here's the thing: gold mining was the one that for a while there was below our purchase price, but it actually took off. And even though it had a correction today, it keeps climbing fairly good. So I'm liking this one. It's not a big jump, but it's a jump that's big enough. All right, so let's look at our portfolio. Was that 54%? How did I do? Oh, 57. Yeah, that's how high from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's how high they got. That even after today's drop in market correction, still I increased by 3%. Okay, so you can see right here I'm getting smashed in gold and silver. That's okay. I don't mind that at all. I'm getting killed by Killinix here. So nonetheless, look at, here's what I want to say is this. From where we were on our original investments here on gold miners and precious metal stocks, even with all the craziness and going up and down, I keep warning you guys they're going to do this. Okay, they're going to do this. They're going to keep doing this. What they're trying to do is to scare the speculators out of the market. Amateurs is what they're trying to do. By going up and down in huge swings, what happens is you people will panic, and then they hope you'll sell your inventory. And that includes on cryptocurrencies. If they can find a way to scare you and get you to panic and sell it at its lowest price, and then they pick it up, they benefit from it. So that's why, what do we say all the time? Buy on the dip. Buy on the dip. Okay? That's what I think you guys should do. So when it goes down, we don't panic. We just no, we buy on the dip. You don't want to sell. Don't ever sell on a dip. Okay? So anyways, nonetheless, I'm going to save this and let's go over, take a look at what I'm talking about. So 57, not bad. That's how good Tuesday and Wednesday were, to be quite honest with you. That even after today's, woo, man, look at this. Look at these drops. Okay? So what does this mean? This means now is the time to buy cryptocurrencies. That's why. Because look how much cheaper they were compared to 2 days ago. They'll rebound, just like stock market does, just like gold and silver does. All right, it'll rebound. Chainlink's a good one to get into. I'm in Ethereum and Chainlink both. Okay, right now you don't see a lot of movement anymore between XLM, nor do you see that with XRP. Not a lot of movement. But here's my thing: if you're going to jump in this and you don't got a lot of money, if I may make a suggestion, you might want to look into getting XLM. Because XLM's been dropping down from 8 cents and jumping up as high as 11 cents. So if you jump in now where it's 8 cents, 8.50, 8.5 cents. So if you buy a bunch of those and it jumps up to, freaking 10 cents or so, that's a pretty good increase on your money, man. It really is. Okay, but Ethereum's the one I like. Ethereum was going on a run when all the other ones were still red, but nonetheless, it's okay. I don't mind. What do? I don't panic. I just add to my holdings. That's what you should be doing. That's what I've been trying to tell people. So gold dropped. It dropped pretty good size. I told you you're going to do this. I even did a video last night warning you that this was coming. Hopefully you guys caught it. That's why I hope you guys catch my videos, so that when you see this happening, you go, nope, Pimpy already told us this was coming. All right. 5 days. So up here is where we were on Tuesday. $1,997, getting ready to get back over in that $2,000 mark. Nope. Boom. The resistance, we dropped all the way down to $1,937. So what are we looking at? It's a $60 drop per ounce. $60 per ounce. All right. If you look over there on silver, silver's at 26.76. Here's the 5-day. We had it up, going up around 20, almost into $30, and it dropped about $3. All right. So I told you it's just like a sporadic kid on sugar. It's a hyper kid on sugar. So it goes up and down. It's very volatile. It goes up and down in bigger swings than gold does, but always outperforms it either way, actually. So nonetheless, look, right now is a good time for you guys to stack up on your inventory, get more. There's a lot of you going, oh, I'm waiting for the dip. Well, buy on a dip. Here's your chance. Buy on a dip now. This, I keep telling you, we're definitely way ahead of the curve on buying on gold and silver. I've been watching in video and reading articles about, the amount of sales that the comics has on precious metals, but does not have the inventory to cover it. Very, very interesting. And banks are like, wait a minute, we want a huge inventory. They're all starting to move into gold and silver, but if the comics doesn't have it, then that puts a strain on bullion. And what are we going to see? The values shoot up. So the video that I did the other day, this guy was talking about what are the triggers for them to revalue gold and silver? What are the trigger amounts? The guy said when gold hits above 2,500 and you see silver get above $35, that's going to force them to revalue gold and silver. Okay, so that's the triggers that we're waiting for. That's the triggers that we're watching to see gold reach 2,500. And silver to get above $35. I'm anticipating that happening anytime between now and the end of the year, which means once that happens and they are forced to revalue gold and silver, now keep in mind, I have a feeling they're going to go up in increments. So even though it jumps up pretty high, don't get overly excited, all right, and go, yeah, dude, I just made $100,000. If you're really smart, what you'll do is, I get if you want to sell a little bit of it, and pay off some bills or do what you need to do. Or like me, I'm just going to continue to go, yeah, that looks good, but I know we're not done. Just so you are aware, this is going to be a 10-year run. I get it if you don't want to wait that long. We will see some huge jumps along the way, but make no doubt about it. It's time for gold and silver to be revalued. They're just going to do them in increments. So it's up to you what your exit plan is. I talked about doing this thing we call, when the shaving is what it's called. So when I go to play poker, I told a story before. I go in there and I set myself a limit. I have a goal. I give myself an allowance of $200. That's all I get. So if I lose it all, oh well, I'm done. That's it. I don't spend no more playing poker. But if I'm playing poker and I start off with 200 and I get around 400, what I'll do is I'll take 200 of my chips, cash them in, put that money back in my pocket. Now I didn't spend anything. That money that I got is house money. And I play a lot more aggressive on it because I'm not losing any money. Plus, I still have my $200 allowance that I haven't spent yet because, well, that's because I put it back in my pocket. I could use that again later on if I blow the house money. See what I'm saying? So if you buy $10,000 worth of silver, for whatever reason it hits $20,000 and you're earning, not $20,000 per ounce, but let's say it goes up in value, and now you have $20,000 worth of silver. Well, then if you're worried about the risk that you put into precious metals, then sell $10,000 worth and keep the other $10,000. See, now you didn't risk anything. You got your original $10,000 back. Some of you have put a lot of money into it. You guys should be into this for the long haul, okay? Anyways, that's how we're doing right now. I just wanted to show you. Look, again, Money Metals, you guys, I can't stress this enough. Go check out our friends over there. The link is in the description. Use promo code Pimpy. Promo code. I don't know what the hell. Anyways, Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and get a free ½ ounce of silver. You guys, buy on a dip. We're there, not back, considering Monday I was at 54%, Tuesday, Wednesday, huge run up on the numbers, artificially, but nonetheless, even when it dropped down today, I still gained another 3% on my fictitious portfolio. That's it, you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys are still panicking about the, let me know how many of you are buying on a dip. Some of you still feeling nervous about what's going on with gold and silver? You shouldn't, but let me know in the comments, all right? Hit the like button, please. It helps me out, as well as if you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later.